Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be putting on a wig. I braided my hair today. I plan on wearing a protective style for the next week. I have a wig. I braided my hair. It took about an hour to just cornrow it. It's not that neat, but I just needed it to be flat so it can sit and look better. But this is what it looks like. So I did this in about an hour, different sizes. I was more so focused on curving this hair because that's how the part curves on the wig, and it should be sitting around this one. That's why I kind of put it on first with my hair pulled back to see where it might fall. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so you see my next post. Bye. Till next time. See you soon.